I'm going to show you how to use our thumbnails widget. As normal, we're starting from our blank home page. Add a widget. Remember, we can add a widget wherever we want in multiple images. We're going to add this thumbnail here. And as normal, add our title, our text, and the list of elements. This is the list of elements. Add a new element. And drag and drop some files over there. So this time let's drag a couple. Drop that in there. We're going to upload one image. Alrighty. Okay, we save and update that. And we'll go back over to our thumbnails again. And we're going to create more. We'll add another one. Let's just random images. One at a time you have to for the thumbnails. Put a title here so you can see where it goes. We'll save and update. Okay, now at any time you find that it's buffering a little long, you just hit the X button and refresh, and it comes back very quickly. Okay, so that's our thumbnails. As you'll see right over here what is happening. Now if I want to go back and add more thumbnails, I just simply repeat the process. As you see on desktop, I can change the columns. Here mobile, I have 2. Let's see what it looks like as 1, as you can see. Complete customization over here at Mobiz. It really gives you the advantage over your competitors. Now you see how one's on top of the other. We have some additional style for this widget. Now you can see we have full width. We can start playing with half widths. And you just see how it looks. And when you find the winning formula, there you go. I'm just adjusting our additional options over here. Additional style, as you see. You start make them centered. So just different options that you can do and that you can play with. And that is our thumbnails widget. Thank you so much.